Okay, so now we've got that app, so let's go in and grab the Better Shipping app. So just go visit Shopify store, and this is one I found works really good because you can put in flat rates easily, like very easily. Let's call it Better Shipping, and it's $14.99 a month, but it's totally worth it. There's a free trial for 7 days, so you're gonna want to get that and install it. So I'm gonna click Get, and again, it's gonna ask me to install it. No problem. Because what I'll do is I'll just update my stuff whenever I go ahead and add a new product. So you have to enter your credit card number. I'm not gonna obviously put this in right now, but I'll do it off and then I'll confirm. Later on, I'll show you kind of as the add product process. Um, we're going to be updating all the flat rates for shipping so that we make sure that we're not paying it. And again, keep in mind that the US is a different price from Canada, which is a different price from international. So I don't think this app can handle the different countries. So what I do is I just focus on the US for it. If I do decide to go to Canada and the US, then I'll just charge them the higher shipping rate. The shipping rate they charge is really reasonable compared to some other places. So you could actually get away with increasing the shipping cost slightly more than what they want, and it'll just gain you $1 or $2 in your pocket, which helps your ROI on your ad costs. So go ahead and install it, enter your billing information, have this one ready to go for later when we actually do start launching products through the app, and then we'll actually update the settings for each product so that we're charging the correct shipping. Hope that makes sense. Go ahead and install that app now.